2016 C-Max. The Ford C-Max was initially only available in Europe, but has found its way to the U.S. in 2012. With folding seats and ample cargo room, the C-Max is available for almost any need. The style is what will catch you, and the mileage will surprise you, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, backup camera, traction control, dual airbags, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, front, HomeLink garage door opener, power steering, keyless start. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.